Now we take the grass out and take the roots for prepare for spray the base on the soil. Now we compact the base for made hard for the car goes on top. And be nice and flat. And right now the next step is level the base for start put pavers. So that's take a while because it has to be nice and flat. Right now we start to put the pavers on the base. Now all the pavers is done. So we compact the pavers again for make flat and nice. And after that we're gonna wash it out and fill all the cracks with sand. And right now the job's clean and finish and complete. Thank you.